I'm going to show you exactly how to make nursery rhyme videos with AI, the same style that's pulling billions of views on YouTube right now. And no, you don't need animation skills, a big budget, or expensive editing software. If you have a laptop and a free AI tool, you can do this today. This one channel, Nunu TV, has 28 million subscribers and is making nearly $500,000 a month. One of their videos alone hit 4.8 billion views. Multiple videos crossed a billion, and barely anyone is competing in this niche yet. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the exact AI tool and process to create these videos, so you can upload them on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, and start building views from day one. The entire video, characters, images, scenes, everything, gets created from a single prompt. One prompt does all the heavy lifting. I've already built this prompt for you. The link is in the description, but don't go there yet. Watch this first so you actually know how to use it. Once you grab it, open Claude AI. This is where the magic happens. Claude is going to generate your character descriptions, your scene prompts, and your image prompts, all in one go. No guessing, no back and forth. Now watch what happens when you paste this prompt and hit generate. Claude instantly gives you 10 ready-made video ideas, all perfectly suited for this niche. You don't have to think of a single topic yourself, just pick one. Let's say we go with the first idea. Copy it, paste it back into Claude, and generate again. This time Claude does something powerful. It builds your entire character system. You get a detailed prompt for your main character, a separate prompt for the animal companion, and everything is designed to stay consistent across every single scene in your video. This is the part most people get completely wrong. When characters look different from scene to scene, the video looks cheap and unprofessional. Claude solves that problem before you even open an image tool. Now Claude asks you one simple question before it finishes. Just type yes and hit send. That single yes triggers something most people would spend hours doing manually. Claude instantly generates two things for every single scene, an image prompt and a motion prompt. The image prompt tells your AI image tool exactly what to draw. The motion prompt tells your video tool exactly how to animate it. Both are already written, formatted, and ready to copy. Now all we have to do is take these prompts and actually generate the images. That's the next step. For generating our images and videos, we're using one tool, Vidu. Link is in the description, but stay with me first. Vidu does three things we need in one place: image generation, video animation, and voiceover. No jumping between 5 different tools. Everything lives here. Sign up, log in, and click Try Vidu. You'll land on the main dashboard. Ignore everything else on the screen for now. On the right side, you'll see Generate Image. Click that. On the image generation screen, you'll see two options: reference to image and text to image. Start with text to image. Now go back to the character prompt Claude generated for you earlier. Copy the whole thing and paste it into the prompt box here. Next, scroll down to the model section. Select either Nano Banana 2 or GPT Image 2. Both give you sharp, detailed results that keep your characters looking clean and consistent. Now set your aspect ratio to 9:16. This is vertical format, perfect for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok all at once. Set the image count to the maximum. We're going to pick the best one, so more options means a better result. Hit create and let it generate. This takes about 30 seconds. Look at that, your character is ready in seconds. But here's what most people do wrong. They just generate one image and move on. Don't do that. To really lock in your character's look, you want to generate them from multiple angles: front, side, and rear view. Go back to the prompt box and type this simple sentence. Make a front view, side view, and rear view 3-side reference image on a white background. Next, select a model from the options. Any available model will work. Then set the aspect ratio to 16:9, so the full character can be properly displayed in the frame. Now click the Generate button. This will create and download your character sheet. Once the images are ready, we'll use them to generate fully consistent character visuals. This step helps maintain the same character design across all images, avoiding inconsistencies and improving overall quality. Take the downloaded character sheet and move to the reference image section. Click on the reference button, then select the plus. You'll see 3 upload slots, 1 main reference, and 2 optional slots. Upload your images here. Place the front view in the main slot, then add the side view and rear view in the optional slots. Give your reference a simple name, such as Emma or Bunny, and click Next Step. The system will now build a unified character reference that captures your design from every angle. Once saved, it will appear in your My References library, ready to use whenever you need consistent character generation. Now it's time to generate your actual scenes, and this is where that reference really goes to work. On the image generation screen, click Reference to Image instead of Text to Image. Click the plus next to References and select the character reference you just created, for example, Emma. Now go back to Claude and copy Scene Prompt 1. Paste it into the prompt box below your reference. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16 and hit Create. Your first scene is ready, and it features your character looking exactly the same as the reference you built. Same face, same outfit, same style. Now you just repeat this for every scene. Keep your reference selected, go back to Claude, copy the next scene prompt, paste it in, and hit create. One important thing, you'll notice motion prompts below each scene in Claude. Ignore those for now, we're doing all images first, then we convert everything to video in one go. It's faster and keeps your workflow clean. I'm going to generate all my scenes right now, watch how fast this goes. All scenes done. Look at this. Every single image features the same character, same style, same world. This is what a professional AI video looks like before the animation even starts. All your images are downloaded. Now we turn them into actual animated video, and this is the part that makes people's jaws drop. On the right side of Vidu, click Image to Video. A new interface opens up. Click the plus icon and upload your first scene image. This is the image that's about to start moving. Now go back to Claude and copy the motion prompt for scene 1. This is the one we skipped earlier. This prompt tells Vidu exactly how to animate the scene, what moves, how it moves, and what energy it has. Come back to Vidu and paste that motion prompt into the prompt box. Now set your clip duration. I use 8 seconds, it keeps the pacing tight and energetic, which is exactly what holds attention on shorts and reels. Scroll down and select the Vidu Q1 model. This is the model that gives you the sharpest motion, the most cinematic results, and the best overall quality for this style of content. Hit create and watch your still image come to life. Look at that, your first clip is animated and ready. Now you just repeat this for every scene. Clear the prompt box, upload the next image, go back to Claude and copy that scene's motion prompt. Paste it into Vidu, set your duration to 8 seconds and hit create. The same process, every single clip. Going to run through all my scenes right now. Every clip is done. Every scene is animated. Every character is consistent. All your clips are downloaded. Now we put it all together in CapCut. It's free and it's all you need for this. Open CapCut, click Import, and bring in all your video clips. Arrange them on the timeline in scene order, the same order Claude generated them. Watch the full sequence through once. If any clip looks off, wrong movement, wrong timing, go back to Vidu, regenerate just that one clip and swap it in. You don't have to redo everything, just fix the one scene. Aid transitions between clips to keep it smooth. Keep them subtle. Simple fades work best for this style. Then export at the highest quality setting and save it to your device. That's it. You just built a complete AI animated nursery rhyme video, the same style that's pulling billions of views, using nothing but a prompt, 2 free tools, and about an hour of your time. Upload this to YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Post consistently and let the algorithm do its job. If ready to create your own viral AI videos, try Vidu through the link in the description and explore its powerful AI video generation features for yourself. Let me know what you create, and I'll see you in the next one.
Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! Woohoo! Wow! Big watermelons. Let's count. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 watermelons.